Hello friends, welcome to the today's biology lecture, that is the modifications of taproot system. When we goes to study the modifications of taproot system, first you see what is the functions of the main root. The functions of the main root system is to absorb waters and minerals from the soil and also to give the support to the plant material. But instead of that main primary function, when roots perform the another or different functions, then these are called as the modifications. That is, there are different modifications occurs in the root system. Maybe it stores the food material, maybe perform the respiration or the exchange of the gases, maybe for parasitic, maybe for different purposes. That is, these are called as the metamorphosed or modifications of the root system. That is, two root systems are there, that is the taproot system and adventitious root systems. That is, when we see the modifications of the taproot system, then there are two types of the modifications of the taproot systems are there. That is, first is the modifications of taproot system for food storage, and second is the modifications of taproot system for respiration. Let us start first, that is the modifications of taproot system for the food storage. That is, there are three types of the modifications of taproot system for food storage. That is, first is the conical root, second is the fusiform root, and third is the napiform root. In first conical root system or the conical roots, it's a shape looking like or looks like the conical structure. It is called as the conical roots. Example is the Daucus carota, that is the carrot. That is, at the base region, it stem is root is broader, and at the apex it is much more tapers at the end, and due to this the shape is conical in structure. In second type, that is the fusiform, the example is the Raphanus sativus, that is the radish. In that particular type of the root, it is swollen or much broader at the middle region and tapers toward the both the opposite ends. Due to this, that is, both these are stores the food material. Here in third type of the root system of the, that is the modifications of the taproot system, that is the napiform, the root is totally spherical in nature and somewhat tapers toward the apex. That is, the spherical roots are developed for the storage the food material. Example, beetroot or Beta vulgaris. That is, in three types of the root systems, the main or primary roots are again developed for to store the food material. That is, these are the modifications of taproot systems for the storage of the food. Then second type of the modifications of taproot system is for respiration or nematophores or halophytes. Why it is called as the nematophores? Because of nematic means the hollow. That is, the hollow stalks are developed. That's why it is called the respiratory, because of these are useful for exchange of the gases. And why it is called as the halophytes? Because of these are grown in the saline swamp soil or water-logged soil. There is no air. That is, in the nematophores or respiratory roots, that is, generally at the first time the roots are normal, that is, goes positively geotropic. But when these are no air, then from that inside the root another roots are developed from the main root system, and this goes above the soil, that is the negatively geotropic. And due to this, on that particular negatively geotropic roots, this when goes above the soil, these are triangular in shape, and on that particular root surface there are different types of the cells are there, or special type of the cells are there. These are called as the lenticels, and these lenticels are useful for exchange of the gases. That is the mangroves, and these are, that is the example of the mangroves. These roots are developed where saline soil is there or no adequate air is there. Due to this, these are called as the respiratory root, these are called as the nematophores, or these are called as the halophytes. Let us start the questions based on the modifications of taproot. Question number 1. Nematophores occurs in family. Option number 1, Orchidaceae. Number 2, Rhizophoraceae. Number 3, Loranthaceae. And number 4, Leguminosae. That is here the answer is Rhizophoracea. Question number 2. Radish has option number 1 napiform root, number 2 conical root, number 3 fusiform root, and number 4 tuberous root. Here the answer is number 3, that is fusiform root. Question number 3. Conical fleshy roots occurs in option number 1 sweet potato, number 2 dahlia, number 3 asparagus, and number 4 carrot. Here the answer is 4, that is carrot. Question number 4. Napiform roots are recorded from option number 1 radish, number 2 carrot, number 3 beet, number 4 sweet potato, and here answer number 3, that is the beet. Question number 5. Fusiform roots are found in option number 1 Solanum tuberosum, number 2 Colocasia, number 3 Daucus carota, and number 4 Raphanus sativus. Here the answer is Raphanus sativus.